So here's how to edit text in an image in Canva. So first you want to open your browser and then navigate to canva.com and log into your account. Next you want to click on the create button and then you want to select a custom size or any pre-made sizes or templates. So for example, I'm going to choose a custom size and I'm going to type the width. And I'm going to click on create new design. Now I should upload my image with the text that I want to edit. So I'm gonna go to uploads and then click on upload file and then upload my file. So I have already uploaded this file, so I'm gonna click on it. Then I'm gonna expand it on the new canvas. Now, as you can see, by default, you can't change the text in here. Then you will simply select the image and then click on edit. So this will allow you to change the text even if it's not changeable like this. Now once you click on edit, you should scroll down to Magic Studio and then you want to scroll horizontally till you see an option called grab text. Now you want to click on it, which is usually a paid option, so it requires Canva Pro to use this. Now with that option you should have click selected and then hover over the text and it will show you a blue box. You should click on it to be able to grab the text and change it. Now once you confirm, it should start grabbing the text and then the text should be removed from here and it should become changeable and editable text, and then you can change it as you wish. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.